Now, third example in regarding with the sector and a segment whose area to be calculated here. Now, example 3, uh, find the area of a segment AYB shown in the figure if the radius of the circle is 21 centimeter and angle subtended by that sector is 120 degree. We have to find out the area of this segment. We know that the area of the segment AYB equal to area of the sector minus area of a triangle OAB, and let me call this as a 1. And now the area of a sector OAYB equal to theta by 360 into phi r square. That is, theta is equal to 120 divided by 360 into phi. Phi I am going to take 22 by 7 into 20 radius is 21 centimeter, 21 square. That is, what is that? That is going to be 462 square centimeter. After simplification, you will get this value. And let me call this is 2. And now consider the triangle OAB in this figure, which I have taken outside the circle. And in this, let me draw OM perpendicular to AB, and as in the figure, OM perpendicular to AB. And in a triangle, OAM and OBM, and this is angle OMA equal to OMB equal to 90 degree. That is because we have drawn OM perpendicular to AB, and OA equal to OB because of the radius, that is 21 centimeter, and OM is common, and therefore these two triangles are congruent to each other, and hence angle AOM equal to angle BOM equal to 60 degree. That is here 60 degree. This is also 60 degree, and AM equal to MB. This is, both are equal because of the congruence property. And thus we have two triangles are congruent, and we have got the corresponding angle and corresponding sides which are equal. Now consider the right angle triangle of OMA with angle M equal to 90 degree and angle AOM is equal to 60 degree, which you have already seen. And now cos 6 equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side here is OM, and therefore that is therefore cos 60 OM by OA is 21 is equal to 1.5 because cos 60 equal to 1 by 2, and therefore this is we can see here, therefore OM equal to 21 by 2. 21 by 2. OM equal to 21 by 2, and also sin 60 equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, and therefore AM by OA is 21, that is root 3 by 2, because of the same reason sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2, and therefore what is that, AM equal to 21 into root 3 by 2 centimeters, and hence by 3, what is that, AB is equal to 2 AM, and that is equal to 2 into 21 root 3 by 2, that is 21 into root 3 centimeter, and area of this OAB, triangle OAB is equal to half into base into height. AB we have found, and OM also we have found 21 by 2, that is 1 by 2 into AB, which we have got 21 into root 3, or 21 root 3 I can write down, and also that is 21 by 2, and that is equal to, after simplifying this, we will get 441 by 4 into root 3 square centimeter, and therefore area of the segment AYB equal to 462 minus 441 by 4 into root 3 centimeter square, and this is from 1, 2, and 3, and let me call this is 3, and therefore this is equal to 21 by 4 into 88 minus 21 root 3 square. This is centimeter square, that is a square centimeter.